Alright guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this Pexus Venus 3-in-1 wireless charging station. So just to give an example, this is what I used to have right here in this desk. It was like one for the iPhone, one for the AirPods, one for the watch, like all of this, right? Literally can get rid of that now with this bad boy right here. And just look how cool that looks, right? Very, very cool. So you're wondering how you could do that. So literally, it has a 30-watt charging station right here for your phone. Watch this. Boom. Already charging. One of the things that I did read on this is you should have it set to optimize battery off for the fastest charging performance. So just make sure that you do that piece of it. And then it has some cool light modes right here. So this, let's see if I can, yeah, that's like chill mode. So like if you're just having it like at night, doesn't give too crazy of a light. My favorite mode is this one. It's a RGB mode, has all the colors going, looks really, really cool. It's like that on both sides. Check that out. I thought that's cool. I usually leave it on that feature. And then here's the other cool part. It opens up. Bam. Bam. This is where you get your AirPods. Bam. Charging right there. You get this Apple Watch. Put it right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's already being charged. Like I said, look at that. All three items with this one station, 30 watts. Super, super convenient to have. I literally love the way it looks. And if you're just wondering, I'm gonna take this off for a quick sec on what goes on what, it'll even tell you. Oh, open that up. Oh, let's see. This one has like little AirPods, and this one has like an Apple Watch logo on it. Again, super cool to have. I love the way it looks just here on the desk. Just kind of gives it like, and it takes up less space than having all these cords as well. I don't have to have like a surge protector. It's just, I need to protect this one thing. And after that, everything else just pops into place. I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10.